sweetheart, where are you? I need someone to spend time with.
Hi everyone, it's been a hot minute since I sat down and talked to you guys. It can be really hard to upload every week, so that's why I've been gone for a few weeks, but I am back now. I'm gonna try to upload every 2 weeks from now on because I am really excited to film some more videos. Also, this is the first time filming in my new plant corner, and this will be the new setup for my videos from now on. So comment down below if you like it, and also comment down below a name for this plant because it's still nameless and I want a cute hipster name for him because it looks like he has hair, it looks like he has a face, he has a personality, he just needs a name. So comment down below a name for my little plant. Also, if you're not subscribed already and you really like aesthetic and DIY content, consider subscribing, and yeah, let's get into the video. My first favorite is a little late, but I recently got a teddy coat. I know I'm really jumping on this trend really late, but I love it. I got it for really cheap. I think that's why I never got one before, because I saw them for really expensive, but one day I saw it for really cheap and I thought this is really cute. So I got it in white, and this basically just goes with everything. It fits with all my t-shirts and my sweaters. I didn't really have a fall jacket. I really needed like a coat, like not a specifically really warm coat, but just something to pull over a t-shirt when it's a little cold outside. I live in the Netherlands, so it's like really rainy all the time. My second favorite is a crystal, because if you didn't know, I am obsessed with crystals. I recently went thrifting with my boyfriend Tom, and I got this really beautiful citrine crystal. And next time I am in that neighborhood, I will probably go back to that thrift store because they had some more crystals, so I might get myself some more. I also got a new salt lamp. I already had one, but I got another one because I like them so much. I love Himalaya salt. Salt crystals are one of my favorite crystals because they have like a little bit of a smell on them. Like you can smell the salt, which I think is really nice. So one thing I also really wanted to talk about in this video is manifestation. I recently got into manifestation. I don't know from which video, but I saw a video on YouTube. If I can find it, I will link it down below, because if you want to get into manifestation, it's a really easy video that really explains the process of it. But I got myself a manifestation journal in which I write, and basically the whole point of manifestation is like writing something down, something you want, as if it already happened. So for example, I really want to pass my driver's test. Like I really want to pass. So I write down in my manifestation journal, I am so grateful that I passed my driver's test. I was so focused, I was on top of my game. I am ready to hit the road. I am ready to go to McDonald's and go into the drive-in. Like, describe in detail how something happened before it even happened. And what that does is it really just puts it out into the universe. And I always have my citrine crystal next to me whenever I manifest, because I set my intentions on that crystal for helping me with my inner dreams and my inner wishes come true. Another one of my current favorites is this plant nook. I recently bought this like kitchen steps. I don't know what you call it, like a little ladder. It's a little ladder. And I bought it secondhand out of a thrift store. It was really dirty when I got it at first, but I cleaned it and now it looks really pretty. It looks really vintage, to be honest. And I really like it. I got some plants and some crystals on here, and I have a black rose because it's Spooktober. Whenever I upload this, it's probably not October anymore, but I like to decorate my room a little spooky in the spooky season. I am really happy with. At first I thought it was a tarot card, but it's really just a moon and a sun, and it says the future is in your hands. I've always been a spiritual person, but recently I just had my spiritual awakening. I've been into crystals since I was 8, but I didn't start using them in my day-to-day life until 2 years ago, I guess. So you can definitely say this t-shirt perfectly fits my personality, my style, my aesthetic. And I got this t-shirt off of AliExpress. I know some people don't like AliExpress because the quality can be really bad, and it can be risky sometimes not knowing if you will get a good product or a bad product. But this one was a catch because it's actually like really good quality. It's 80% cotton, which it surprised me. It surprised me how good this quality is. Since I am a artsy girl, I also got these socks off of AliExpress. I saw these socks on Instagram a really long time ago, and I instantly just wanted to have them. It took them a while to ship. It took like 2 months, but when they finally got here, I was really happy with them. I haven't had the chance to wear these out in public just yet because it's currently boot season, so you don't really see them. But as soon as it starts being sneaker season, I will wear these with my fans or with my comfers. And the next favorite is this Phomemo printer. Phomemo reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try their mini printer, which I was really excited about. It comes with a charger and it comes with 3 rolls of print paper and another one inside, so you basically have 3 rolls of print paper. You don't run out on print paper easily because it's like a really thick roll, so you can print a lot of pictures with just 1 roll. You can basically print labels and small pictures with this, which I think is really cute. So it's really simple. You just connect with your phone and then you select a picture or you type in a note and it basically prints. It is wireless, but it comes with a little charger so you can charge it and take it with you on the go. I am really satisfied with this printer. I actually printed out some memes that I can give to my friends, and I think it's really cute. It's perfect for bullet journaling or journaling in general. The back side is like a sticky side, so you can actually make like stickers out of it and stick it on whatever you want. I personally use this a lot to print out pictures of me and my friends and stick it on my phone. So I got you guys a coupon code so you can try this out for yourself. You can use the coupon code PastelJulia to get 10% off. If you want to try it, I highly recommend. I don't ever sponsor anything that I don't actually like. The next favorite is a photo editing app, and it's called Storylooks, which I really like. I don't know why this app isn't more popular, to be honest, because I use it for all of my Instagram stories and a lot of my Instagram pictures. It basically provides like really cool frames and templates. You have all of these cool frames, and you can also use it for videos, not only for photos. And unlike other apps, all the templates are free, which I was really surprised. I don't personally know if it works on Android, but I know it works on iOS, and I highly recommend you try it out. So yeah, I really like this app. This is not sponsored, I just don't get why this isn't more popular. And the last favorite are these 2 really cute skirts that I got on sale. I really like the brown one because it gives me October vibes, and it's just perfect for the fall season. It's really just a fun fall color. And the other one is this plaid skirt, which I also think is really cute. It kind of reminds me of Sabrina the Teenage Witch, and I am obsessed with them. They are so cute. I wear them way too much, but that's fine. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really liked just being back on YouTube, just sitting in my corner, really talking to you guys. So yeah, I'm glad to be back. I wish you all a great day, a great week, a great month, and a great year. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!